Mouth all open up there, my titties out.
Bro?
Right
now? Bro, this shit hella funny for me. This nigga already up, bro.
I'm trying to get me. Did it work? Y'all bad.
So today we're having the shark encounters. How you feeling about it?
Boy, I'm ready.
What about you, go?
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. You already know. Sharks can't hold a nigga down.
Fox, how you feeling about the shark?
We finna be niggas swimming with sharks. How many niggas you know do that shit?
I don't do that.
What is your role today?
Sitting my ass down and getting drunk. Not doing it. Here's one thing about me. Something always happens to me. If anything goes wrong, it's gonna happen to me.
How you feeling?
So numb right now. I don't know how to feel yet. Just wait till we get on the boat. Then my reaction will come out.
How you feeling about the shark cage diving today?
I have anxiety.
You're not ready?
I don't want to die. Okay, so we're going shark cage diving. There's a high chance that one of us may die or have a panic attack. But it's gonna be a good time.
You come for playing life before you go shark cage diving? I don't know if I want to go shark diving.
Shut the fuck up. You're hella.
So, their boat broke down.
Like 5 minutes.
This shit broke down. The sharks. We're not gonna be able to go. Everybody.
Everybody's like bummed the fuck out. Jade's like, I don't give a fuck. I wasn't going in anyway.
But yeah. We feel like it wasn't meant to be. Something bad was gonna happen. But we're kinda all bummed out about the shit. Kayla's gonna drive us off a cliff. We'll see sharks as we're making our way to heaven.
I'm on no work right now. Like, 2 of my water activities got canceled, bro.
So it looks like we ain't going today. No Sharks Fest.
Yeah. That shit weak as
Turn
fuck.
this shit off. And if y'all want to send it
this
back
shit
and tell me to blur
booty as
something out,
fuck,
just
bro.
tell 'em I can do that.
Black
Just
people
your-
can't do
your
nothing extravagant, you feel me?
Whatever it is.
We was trying to deep dive with them motherfucking sharks. And it wasn't for us. Bro, this shit was hella weak, bro. Black people can't do nothing extravagant. We was supposed to deep dive with them sharks today.
What we doing?
And they gonna set a boat broke down.
Confessionals. So at this point, y'all, I done got some coochie about one time on this trip. And part of it is because we keep doing shit, so I've been getting hella tired, you feel me? But the more I keep drinking, the more I'm like, babe, come on, let's do something. But then one of us falls asleep. So that shit is whack as fuck. But it's whatever. But yeah, that's about it. This nigga back there rolling up, per usual. She a fucking crackhead, smoked. Being Weezy, that's the way.
Through the ice in this platinum, I did a 180, I went up the wrong way. Look at the bells and the twinkling, glisten and shine, you gon' need you some sunblock. Thousands of grams and certified stones that came on a time clock. All of my woadies, coyotes, we sticking together, we coming like shot toss. Put a tracker on that bitch if you love her, cause she coming through like a goon squad. I put it on in the Zava, I got different designers all over. Coops on coops, top the top off the Rolls Royce truck, you know it's gonna be over. Bitch, do it up, I say she on front line, come through like a soldier. Now that you got my attention, you better get put on suspension if I see the greed. Like I'm a part of the lynching, got 21 chains on my neck, had to go down my knee. Breaking codeine, I roll up a leaf, I fuck on this bitch, now she so bossy. Stella McCartney, I'm drippin' so nerdy, my fit was a birdie, alone that was it. Talk a few bells, oh yeah, that's it. Burning Armadale, oh yeah, that's it. I can put it on the scale, oh yeah, that's it. Ballin' in Chanel like a player, that's it. Rainbow, rollie, oh no, that's it. Got a bisexual girl, that's it. Do a professional girl, that's it. Treat me like a male, oh yeah, that's it. Put on a jet, declare, that's it. She got no
box. What's going on?
She's on an ice. She has sea urchins in her finger.
Oh my god.
And I can't get it out. I'm sorry. I don't know how to get this out.
Okay, you gotta get it out.
One time when I went to Hawaii,
And that kid.
is how I lost the tip of my finger.
Okay, no, thug it out, thug it out, thug it out, thug it out, thug it out,
Plug it out, box.
thug it out.
You got this.
It's like a new tattoo.
I like keep. Can you help us? I'm trying to find her gauge.
What is
Show
it?
what it looks like. Show them your other ear. Look at her ear. It's like a wooden piece.
Oh
It fell like right here, literally.
How do I know it's real? Barely keep my composure. Love me with no disclosure. Tell them all how you feel.
Notice this electric charges flowing through your fingertips. When your hands on my thighs, do you feel this energy when I'm near you? Do you? Do you?
Kayla, what happened? So we thought we lost the keys, but Kayla had the fucking keys.
Deep in the pocket, okay?
Kayla, I'm up to here.
You know what?
I'm up to here.
How embarrassing. You know what?
Niggas dropping all my shit. They dropped my snorkel shit. My hair on the ground. When I've been asking, where the fuck is my headband? I don't know where my goggles is.
Hey, Box, I got one quick question for you.
Your feet look just the same.
Right. My toenails is glossy, nigga.
Get it on the gloss. Get it on the gloss.
Look, I'm like,
This shit ashy as fuck.
ashy as fuck.
These niggas all turned up all of a sudden.
I'm in a own it.
You need a drink. Maybe 10. Yeah, 5? 5? Okay. Let's not put that. Okay, all the times I've left, go get the keys. Go get the goddamn keys. We're going to get locked out if you. I'm about to just go off the top of that nigga. Okay, thank you so much.
Tonight.
There's no way. There's no way. Where?
I like the keys. I like the keys in the Airbnb.
The dumbass bitch. Say something.
I'm Jade. Something can happen to me.
Okay, I was there, Kayla. I was there.
No, deadass.
How you gonna tell her about a situation where I was at? How you gonna tell her?
Why are you
As if
still
you know.
going back and forth with the female?